Are you ready for all the fun a parakeet can provide? Before making your purchase, let's run through some of the more important information you should know. Your new pet is a parakeet, but more accurately, a budgie, shortened to Budgie. Parakeets refer to the bird family with streamlined bodies and long tail feathers, and the newest member of your home is one of its smallest members, the lovable budgie. Choosing your new budgie is more than just about your favorite color. Look for a bird that has lots of energy, smooth, sleek feathers, and a healthy beak and feet. Next, look at the amount of stripes on the budgie's head. The more stripes a budgie has on its head, the younger the bird. The younger the budgie, the easier it will be to train. A pet supermarket associate will help answer any questions you have. Your new budgie needs a place to live. Cage sizes vary greatly, but each requires certain items to make sure your budgie is safe and happy. Water and food cups, various perches, a swing, and some bird toys will help turn his home into a place where your budgie will love to stay. Budgies love to be active, with constant flapping, hopping, jumping, and climbing. Giving them a wide enough cage to do this is very important, so the best rule to remember about purchasing a new cage is that the width is more important than the height. Of course, if you're planning on adding 2 budgies to your family, the size of the cage should be doubled. Don't forget to cover your bird's cage at night. The cover lets your new pet know it's okay to relax and get some sleep. Ask a pet supermarket associate for help when choosing the cage and accessories that best fits your needs. Keeping your budgie happy hinges on 3 things: a great home, healthy food, and plenty of play and socialization. Your bird's food should consist of a quality seed blend supplemented with a cuttlebone and mineral blocks, along with access to a millet spray. Occasionally giving your budgie a treat is a great idea. Pet Supermarket has everything to meet your bird's dietary needs, including a wide range of specialized bird treats. Play and socialization are very important to budgies. Birds are flock animals by nature and need companionship of others to be happy. If the plans for your budgie include a large amount of time spent alone in its home, getting another budgie might be a good option. 2 budgies will quickly become friends and keep each other happy while you're away. If your plans include a single budgie, socialization with you is very important. Because you are so much larger than the bird and have eyes on the front of your head, the budgie sees you as a predator. But time and patience will help your new pet overcome its fears and quickly become accustomed to human interaction. The most important step in taming your budgie is to take it slowly. Set up its home in a busy part of your house so the budgie can watch you and realize that people aren't predators. Once it's used to people, further training can be started. If planning on training your budgie to sit on your finger, there are some steps to take that will make the experience more enjoyable for you and your bird. Start first by only opening up the cage door and putting your hand inside. Your budgie will be startled and try to fly around. Ignore it. Just speak in a low voice and don't move your hand. Do this for about 10 minutes 3 times a day. Once your budgie doesn't react to your hand, it's ready for the next step. Depending on the personality of your budgie, step 1 may take days or weeks. Be patient. It's worth it. Now it's time to try to get your budgie used to being on your finger. Slowly put your hand inside the cage and move your hand toward the budgie. Gently push your finger against its lower abdomen until it lifts a leg and puts it on your finger. Don't move. Do this for about 10 minutes 3 times a day. Once your budgie can sit comfortably on your finger in its cage, you're ready for the next step. The final step is to try to have the budgie sit on your finger outside its cage. First, make sure the room is safe for your budgie. Turn off any ceiling fans, close any doors and windows, and remove any other pets from the room. Get your budgie onto your finger inside his cage and slowly try to pull your hand out of his cage. The budgie will probably get nervous and grab a hold of the cage door to keep from leaving. Be patient. Slowly put your hand back in, get the bird on your finger, and try again. Don't chase the bird around its cage in an effort to make it sit. It'll see you as a predator trying to get an easy meal. With practice, your budgie will soon be a constant companion and love sitting with you wherever you go. Developing a cleaning schedule will help keep your bird healthy and happy. Change the cage liner, wash and wipe out the food and water cups, and refill with clean food and water. And wipe surfaces with a bird cleaner daily. Each week, scrub the bottom tray and grate, and clean and rotate toys. Perches should be scraped clean and not washed. Holding on to wet perches can be damaging to your bird's feet. And finally, scrub the entire cage each month. Keeping your budgies home clean will help your budgies live a long and healthy life. Keeping to a cleaning schedule will help make future cleanings quicker and easier. Never use household cleaners when cleaning your budgies' cage, toys, or accessories. Pet Supermarket carries bird-specific cleaners that are safe for your new pet. Budgies are very energetic and loving pets. They love any attention you give them and will let you know with chirps, whistles, and happy flutters. As always, head to your local Pet Supermarket with any questions.